Hi guys, welcome back to another new video. In this video, you are going to see how to remove the green screen perfectly from Adobe Premiere Pro. And also I'm going to share one secret tip that I use for uneven spill removal. Let's say I'll show you quickly in the Premiere Pro. So let's say you want to remove the green screen from this. So you will get an idea what are the things I use to remove it perfectly. And also we have the masking tool as well. Like it's a updated video I can say for 2026. Previously I uploaded that is like in 2025 version. This is 2026 version. So let's start. First I'm using the basic one for this. To remove the green screen, go to the effects panel and search for the option, the effect called Ultra Key. Drag and drop it to the video clip and go to the FX control panel. And by the way, if you're not at all seeing any of these tabs, click on the windows. From here, you can enable or disable it. After going to the FX control panel, as you can see here under the Ultra Key, select this eyedropper. And since this is a plain thing with no uneven or rough edges, so you can click anywhere so that it is going to be removed. I'll show you how it looks like by adding some solid color layer below it. As you can see, you don't see any spill or anything like that. And one more thing, if you want to start a YouTube channel or already started one but not seeing any of the results, you want a mentor or one-on-one coaching, then you have a good news. I'm soon starting a coaching program for the people who are ready to start their YouTube channel or the person who already started YouTube channel but not seeing any of the results. The link is added in the description box. You just need to enroll with all your details. I'll get back to you as soon as possible because it's going to be a very limited slots, guys. I'm the only person behind the scenes to work with you and to educate you about how YouTube is going to work. For this, I'm going to charge some amount as well. We'll talk about the money and everything later. First, if you're interested, just fill out the form. It's for free. I'll get back to you once it is sorted. So now here comes the spicy part, the second one. So where we need to do a lot of work and I'll try to be very precise as possible. This is a still image. Even for the videos also the process is same. So if I use the same effect, Ultra Key, and by the way, if you press the control button, the pen is highlighted even more. That means it takes even more color from the reference. This works perfectly great here. If I drag this, as you can see, it did a pretty good job, but still everything is there on the background. Here we can do two things, guys. First thing is I go to this option and select the pen mask tool. I make a rough selection here. Now go to the FX panel, right click, and since we need to change some colors, I'm adding a lumetri color here. Even we need to add the same mask to the opacity as well. So now what I do is I go to the lumetri color panel, scroll down to the curves section. I select this hue versus saturation, select it and increase this color. Even the hue versus hue as well, I increase it so that the every color on the background is perfect. But this doesn't work here because due to this uneven, and as you can see the cloth is folded and lot of shadows and everything is there. So to remove that, the perfect way is we need to use the masking tool that is added in the latest Adobe Premiere Pro. So for this, go to here and look for this option called object mask tool. Click on it. Just hold the mouse to the subject. It will be highlighted like this. Just click once with the mouse left button. It will be highlighted. As you can see here, the object mask is done. You can right click and you can choose the opacity mask. Even for the video also it's going to be same, but for the video what you have to do is you need to track the mask. Of course it's not super accurate, but still the job is get done. Now if I drag this color to this background, as you can see here, it removed perfectly. So by this way, with these two methods you can remove the uneven masks as well from the Adobe Premiere Pro. When it comes to the subject, yes, the spill and everything is there here, as you can see here. So for that, what you can do is you just simply increase the feather a bit so that you can remove the harsh edges. But yeah, this is the process, and this is how you can remove the green screen from any of the video clips or still images from Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope this tip is really helpful for you for your future projects, and do note that if you are using any green screen, make sure the lighting and everything perfect, guys. If it is 95% accurate, the extra 5% error will be removed in the softwares like this. If it is fully opposite, like 5% it is good, remaining 95% it is bad, then it is really, I cannot say like it's impossible, but the complexity is going to be increased, and the time it takes is also going to be increased. So next time onwards, if you are using any of the green screen footage, make sure you follow the steps perfectly to avoid any errors and save a lot of editing time as well. And one more thing, if you want to start a YouTube channel or already started one but not seeing any of the results, you want a mentor or one-on-one coaching, then you have a good news. I'm soon starting a coaching program for the people who are ready to start their YouTube channel, or the person who already started YouTube channel but not seeing any of the results. The link is added in the description box. You just need to enroll with all your details. I'll get back to you as soon as possible, because it's going to be a very limited slots, guys. I'm the only person behind the scenes to work with you and to educate you about how YouTube is going to work. For this, I'm going to charge some amount as well. We'll talk about the money and everything later. First, if you're interested, just fill out the form. It's for free. I'll get back to you once it is sorted. That's the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next video.